Did you know the USA is facing a massive caregiver shortage? This means new visa opportunities are open for foreign workers, often with no degree required. The US needs thousands of caregivers. If you're from another country, you can now apply. Here's your step-by-step guide to get started. First, gather your basic documents. A valid passport, resume, and ID. Most roles don't require a degree or prior experience. Some states require a short training course in basic caregiving or first aid. Many employers will help you get certified. There are three main visas: EB-3 for permanent work, H-2B for temporary roles, and J-1 for cultural exchange programs. Caregivers help elderly or disabled Americans with daily tasks, personal care, and companionship, making a real difference every day. Search for job openings on U.S. job boards and home care agency sites. Look for employers that offer visa sponsorship. Send a clear professional email to agencies. Attach your resume and mention you need visa sponsorship for caregiver roles. Prepare for interviews. Employers may ask about your empathy, willingness to learn, and reliability rather than formal qualifications. Typical caregiver salaries range from $28,000 to $40,000 per year. Many positions include benefits like insurance and paid time off. Once hired, your employer will help with paperwork for your visa. Attend a U.S. Embassy interview in your home country. After approval, book your flight to the USA. Sponsors or agencies usually help you settle in when you arrive. You'll attend orientation and finish any final training. Agencies support your transition, so you're ready for work quickly. You're not just earning. Being a caregiver lets you build lasting relationships and improve lives across generations in the USA. Your opportunity to make a difference is waiting. Take the first step on your caregiver journey in America today.